Hey guys, PNY Prepper here. Today we're gonna do an unboxing, guess where? From Walmart.com. Okay. This item is not related to prepping, but I need this for my channel. Okay. I need a action camera for my channel, especially on my shooting videos, demos, wherein I need to use both hands. Okay. So this is the Vivitar DVR 787HD 12.1 megapixel action camcorder. Okay, let's open it. I got this for $39.98, and as of today, Feb 22, the deal is still live at Walmart.com. So $39.98 plus I added a $12 something 16 gig micro SD card. Okay, here it is. Put this away. See what's inside. Okay, what are the specs of the camera? Like I said, it's 12.1 megapixel, 2.4 inch touchscreen. It has an HDMI out. Movie resolution is 1080p. Photo resolution is also 12.1, although I don't think I'm gonna use the photo feature of this. It is waterproof up to 30 feet. Has a remote control, bike, ATV, helmet mounts. That's what I'm interested in, the helmet mount. Has a windshield mount, dashboard mount, universal car kit, surfboard if you're into surfing. There you go. Has an outdoor mounting kit, and it's compatible with micro SDHD memory cards. Has no internal memory, but you have the external memory, and it has one micro SD slot. Okay, there you go. Vivitar Full HD action camera. So what do we have here? What else do we have? Kit. So this is the camera. This is the all-in-one car kit. So you can mount it in the dash, like a dash cam. All-in-one surf kit. Oh, if you're into surfing. And then all-in-one outdoors kit. Okay, this is what I'm interested in. Open it up. Let's see what we got. I've read some reviews on this kit, or the camera and the whole kit. So this is what I'm interested in. It's a helmet attachment. Okay. I don't know what this is for. Is this a wristband? Okay. Okay, don't get me wrong, this is not a GoPro. But for $39.98, I think the attachments alone is worth it. Okay. It's like buying the attachment and you get the camera for free. Okay, if you don't like the camera. So there you go, my action camera, so that I can use it in my shooting videos. I'm gonna attach it on my helmet. So there you go, my HD action camera for $39.98. I'll make a separate video testing this equipment. So for now, this is PNY Prepper. Thanks for watching.